Welcome to humaning. I went to the dentist today and got a deep cleaning on half my mouth, and it's still pretty tender, mostly just from the shots. The cleaning wasn't so bad, not as bad as I was dreading. It also wasn't as good as I was hoping, I suppose, in that, well, my teeth didn't miraculously get all better. And I could see from the before and after pictures that the damage that was done, I think it was about 4 years ago, the last time I was at a dentist who did a lot of drilling and filling with the silver fillings, which tend to turn black in some of my teeth. And that can't be good, I think. And also it looks ugly. And also every one of those teeth is cracking. It's super weak. And I got one here that cracked a couple months ago now. Not just cracked, broke. It was probably cracked for a long time. And that's part of what spurred me to get insurance so that I could get to a dentist. And in typical fashion, the insurance I have won't pay for a crown or fixing this broken tooth. They will only pay to remove it, which I don't want to do because it's still a good tooth. But in any case, that's what led to getting the deep cleaning. And I still have to go back in a couple weeks and get the other side done. But reflecting on how important it is to take care of your teeth, as everyone always says, and to not let that first piece of advice pressure you into continuing to see a dentist when they are clearly not a good dentist, which is what happened the last time when I got so much drilling and filling. And that particular dentist had really shamed me and humiliated me a little bit, and then did all this drilling, which led to a different tooth breaking basically that same year that I went to Mexico and had a root canal done on. I think it was the same year. Maybe it was the following year. In any case, and then this tooth broke this year, and I can see many others are badly cracked, weakened from all the drilling that he did. And also putting those metal fillings in my mouth. Not good for me anyway, because I have autoimmune issues that, I think it's probably not good for anyone, but my body tends to be hypersensitive sometimes, so I should have held out for a different dentist, even though I was sort of similar to now, trying to take better care of my teeth after a long period of not having any insurance, which is like the story of more than half of my life. So anyway, all that to say, the deep cleaning that I got so far, yes, it's very tender, but I think it's tender mostly from all the injections. I can feel one of the teeth, the teeth itself is tender, which could be an indication that it will need a root canal in the future. Unfortunately, it's one with a white filling. I'm trying to tell. It almost seems like it's the one that I had a root canal on, but it is that one, which doesn't have any nerves in it, so, or any roots in it, so that's confusing. In any case, hopefully that tenderness will go away. Probably, because it was just some hours ago. And I will continue to do my best to take good care of my teeth. I hope you do as well. I got more stuff to talk about, but I'll save it for another video and just wish you a healthy mouth and a bright smile. I'm still spitty because my mouth is almost completely, yeah, the anesthetic is almost completely worn off, but it still feels a little swollen in there. Guess that's to be expected. Ciao for now.